Hello, my friends, again. This week I have been learning yet another hymn, Sent Forth by God's Blessing. It's based on a Welsh tune, a lovely tune actually. It's a chord of C, and the chords you need are going to be C, unusual though, D major, D minor, F, and G. Let's play through the first verse once through. Sent Forth by God's Blessing is in triple time, so we'll be using our basic triple time strum. Sent forth by God's blessing, our true faith confessing, the people of God from this dwelling take leave. The service is ended, oh now be extended the fruit of our worship in all who believe. The seed of the teaching, receptive souls reaching, shall blossom in action for God and for all. God's grace did invite us, and love shall unite us to work for God's kingdom and answer the call. Grab your song sheets and we'll play through all two verses once true. Sent forth by God's blessing, our true faith confessing, the people of God from this dwelling take leave. The service is ended, oh now be extended the fruit of our worship in all who believe. The seed of the teaching, receptive souls reaching, shall blossom in action for God and for all. God's grace did invite us, and love shall unite us to work for God's kingdom and answer the call. With praise and thanksgiving to God ever living, the task of our everyday life we will face. Our faith ever sharing, in love ever caring, embracing God's children of each tribe and race. With your grace you feed us, with your light now lead us, unite us as one in the life that we share. Then may all the living with praise and thanksgiving give honor to Christ and that in which we bear. So that was Sent Forth by God's Blessing. I think it's a beautiful benediction type hymn. Again, a very nice Welsh melody that kind of lilts and gets stuck in your head. So hope you enjoy learning this as much as I did. See you next time.